Well, hello there. It's demonstration time. Let's go ahead and get started. I've got two fixtures to demonstrate for you. The smaller one has a press plate that's going to assist you in pressing it down into the fixture. I'm also not 100% sure whether these inserts stay attached or not, but at the time of folding. But for now, we're going to leave them attached, and let's go ahead and show you how we do it. Two-part process. You're going to go ahead and set the box of the fixture, and then press it down and make your fold. So let's go ahead and set it. We'll go ahead and press her on down. If you find you're getting a little bit of a pinch point down here too, you can always give these a kind of a quick pre-fold. You can experiment with that, but we're in the fixture. Now you can just go ahead and make your folds. And then go ahead and fold your insert, which I believe is going to go something like this. And that's our first box. So there we go. And our second one is just a larger version of the same thing. Since it's a little bit larger and our hands will fit in here, we don't really need the press plate. So once again, label's right in front of us. And we're just going to go ahead and once again take our box. We're going to go ahead and set it into the fixture, press her on down. Maybe a quick pre-break if necessary, or pre-fold, excuse me. And let's go ahead and fold our two sides. And our insert. And that's going to come up like this. Now, this is my first time folding, so I'm sure you'll get a little bit quicker. And there we go. We have our completed box. Thank you very much.